Let's have a big round of applause and let's unveil the endless way to both walk with our celebrity couple, the cute couple, the adorable couple. So let's have the music and let's have the dance on. Let's put a big round of applause. यार इतना ज़ोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार तालियां music. Let's have a big round of applause first of all for everyone out there. सबके लिए यार तालियां तो बजा दो बड़ा जोर से. Okay, alright. So let's have a few words with them. Can I have the other mic? Finally, I got a time to talk to you guys. Alright, welcome to Max Collection. How do you feel, it's being associated with Max? What is it that you have in your mind after coming over here?
Well, I think it's amazing because I love to dress up, and Max is a brand which has, very interesting at and of course a lot of variety at a very affordable price. So it's something that anybody and everybody can afford, and it's for families. Like जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर friends ने पहना हुआ है, families ने पहना हुआ है, हम दोनों ने पहना हुआ है. So it's a collection that is for everybody and anybody. So I think it's amazing, yeah.
And what is the one word you would like to say about Max? अगर आप एक ही word में बोलना चाहेंगे.
I would like to say that it is affordable.
And what are your thoughts about like Max वाले हमने सुना.
See, I tell you, मेरी लाइफ में बहुत फेजेस आते हैं अलग-अलग. जब मुझे एक अलग ही टाइप के कपड़े पसंद आते हैं. So I think this is the phase जो अपने बीच अब है. Is when I love wearing these hip-hop t-shirts, and these torn jeans, that's. I think I love what I'm wearing right now. When I saw the first time in the picture only, I loved it. This is what I love to wear, and I think it's very affordable. If you look at the brand, the quality, like she said, it's an international brand. That quality is very international lifestyle, and the price is very affordable. So I think I don't think इससे better कुछ हो सकता है. When you come out for shopping, अगर आपको affordable price में अच्छा product मिल रहा है, I don't think it can be better than that. So.
Alright, so
everything like kurtas to pinafores to a normal dress, short dresses, jeans and shorts, and मतलब for everybody, for kids, for guys, for girls, for parents. So I think इससे अच्छा कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता.
इससे अच्छा ये हो सकता है कि अभी यहाँ से जब जाएंगे मुझे पता है मेरा कार्ड स्वाइप होने वाला है. So I think we are going to Max and you can show that. So yeah.
वाओ, तो आप लोग भी जरा अपनी पॉकेट को थोड़ा बचा के चलिए. यू नेवर नो कि बच्चे कब आपको खींच के ले जाए मैक्स की स्टोर की तरफ, राइट? ऑलराइट, एंड व्हाट सर वन वर्ड फॉर फ्रॉम योर एंड फॉर मैक्स. मैम सेड अफोर्डेबल.
My type.
My type. Oh wow, that's amazing. That's quite a different response that I got. अच्छा, एक बार जाने से पहले इनसे थोड़ा सा एक बार छोटा सा डांस हो जाए. अभी आप लोग के साथ डांस, yeah, we want that. एक छोटा सा movement. Yes.
I think you're getting our talent all wrong.
No.
I don't dance.
He sings. Yeah, he sings. Right, he can sing. मैंने पढ़ा था, and I was like about to tell that, but मैंने शायद डांस हो गया क्योंकि गाने से पहले हमेशा डांस आता है. So let's have a song from him. एक बार जोरदार तालियां यार, गाना आ रहा है.
Every time I sing this song, I don't mind singing it again.
अच्छा, let's have a song for her. Dedicate a song for her. All songs for you. Okay, let's have it.
बहुत dedicated.
Let's have it for me then.
क्या उस गली में कभी तेरा जाना हुआ, जहाँ से ज़माने को गुज़रे ज़माना हुआ, मेरा समय तो वहीं पे है हुआ, बताऊँ तुम्हें क्या मेरे साथ क्या क्या हुआ. खामोशियाँ एक राज है, सीने में दफन है नहीं. खामोशियाँ अल्फाज है, मैं तुमसे कहूँगा कभी, बांट लूँगा मैं साथ में तेरे, मिलने दो जरा. खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी, खामोशियाँ लिपटी हुई खामोशियाँ. Thank you very much.
tell you right now, it's not official yet. So get ready to have more of Suyash and Ishwar, both of them the newly wedded couple. Our best wishes to both of you for your married life. And thank you so much for coming here today at the launch of Max Summer 2017 collection. So thank you so much the media fraternity to be here. Now I think we can start with the media bites.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, we are here for the launch of the summer collection and जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हम दोनों ने मैक्स पहना हुआ है फिलहाल and I think बहुत ही super cool event था because हम आए हमने गाने गाए हम rotate होके सबसे पहले तो आए तो I think that was like really cool.
जो हम घर पे करते हैं वो.
Yeah, and talking about the brand, there were very good people of course who got in touch with us and the whole thing of having clothes for everybody and every age is something that is awesome because and affordable of course. So the prices are so good कि आप ना चाहते हुए भी आप enter करोगे उस store में और आप जाके shopping करोगे ही करोगे, it's like that. So I think it's a fantastic thing कि ऐसे brands भी available हैं, especially when there are different brands जो इतने higher priced है. So
समर कलेक्शन है तो मतलब इस समय क्या टिप देना चाहेंगे जो ऑडियंस है उनको और किस तरह का जो
not to wear black, that would be my summer tip.
But if it's your favorite color, you can wear.
Oh.
Like I did. But
Well,
I think जितने लूज कपड़े पहन सकते हो पहनो.
Yeah,
Comfortable
I
हो.
think the whole thing is जो आपको comfortable लगे.
That is more important right now because जितना तुम सच दर्द करोगे उतनी गर्मी लगेगी. I think anything specific.
I like Western. I'm more because I'm जब भी हम shooting करते हैं we are only in Indian outfits. बहुत rarely ऐसे roles मिलते हैं जिसमें you can wear Western. So I'm very comfortable in jeans, t-shirts, and dresses and shorts. I kind of like that, and especially when it's so hot, I would prefer that any day. Well, I'm doing a new show on Colors, which will the shooting will start soon. So फिलहाल वही है, and he's doing a lot of music right now. So something soon and like a surprise will come up very soon for him.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
एक सेकंड
एक ग्रुप के साथ.
बोलू क्या तेरा फोटो निकालना बोलू क्या बोल जल्दी इधर ही चलते हुए नहीं मैम से हाय कैमरा दादा थोड़ा पीछे लो ना मोबाइल कलर चेंज हो गया भाई उल्टा देखना पड़ेगा मैडम थोड़ा पीछे आइए ना ये कड़क लाइट चल रही है लाइट है ना
नहीं खत्म हो गया आगे
और थोड़ा पीछे जाना आपको मिल रही है आपको फ्रेम आ रहा है पूरा थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए एवरीबडी इज कमिंग इन द फ्रेम ना The green cap, please, the green cap. Look at the green cap.
अरे